So today, last class, we have seen how to create absence type, right? We know how to create absence type. So instead of wasting time, I have created everything upfront only in the new environment. Because again, we have to do a lot of setups, right? So this is a new environment we got in the weekend. So I have done all the setups ready. So first of all, what are the three important prerequisites to create an absence type? Deepika?
Absence certification, absence plan, and absence reason.
Very good. So absence reason, absence certification, and absence plan. These are the three important what you call prerequisites to create an absence type. Okay, these are the three important prerequisites to create an absence type. So I have created everything upfront because so when we created in a old environment, it got refreshed. So we got today three new environments, and I have created the setup. Okay. So I'll go through the setups. I'll just for your refresh, I'll just quickly go through the setups. So my client groups, absences. Okay. So these three are the prerequisites to create absence type. So click on absence reasons. So I have created, okay. So in your practice environments, please remember in your practice environments, there are some issues with Redwood pages. Okay, there are some issue with Redwood page. So what is that profile option? What is the profile option you need to disable?
Yeah,
reasons and PW.
at two levels we have to disable.
Okay, what are the two levels?
At one is at your HCM percentile, PWA percentile,
Okay.
there,
Yes.
and other
That is at HCM level, we have to disable.
yeah HCM level, and other one at absence level.
HCM PW. What is in the PWA?
Progressive web application.
Applications.
Yes, progressive web application. Everybody please remember PWA means progressive web application. If you have a doubt, just see here. So what is meant by VBCS? What is the full form of VBCS?
Virtual builder.
Navin, you are telling something? Tell me. Yeah, VBCS means Visual Builder.
Visual Builder Cloud Service.
Visual Builder Cloud Service. Please remember these two. VBCS is the future project. Means every page is going to convert into VBCS page. Okay. That Redwood was developed in VBCS. So VBCS means Visual Builder Cloud Service. Earlier, Oracle application, this particular page has administrative profile values. How it was developed? Is it a classic page or Redwood page?
Classic one.
It's a classic page. So
Yeah.
how it was developed? It was developed on the framework called Applications Development Framework, ADF. Please remember. Okay, these are the overall knowledge you need to know. So this is a page, classic page was built on a framework called ADF. This is called as ADF pages, Application Development Framework. This VBCS is also a framework built on cloud, Visual Builder Cloud Service. ADF is not a cloud-based framework. It is a predefined on-premises based application. So that's the reason they are migrating all the what you call classic pages to cloud pages, which is really looking good, and at the same time they are ready for AI integration also. Whereas ADF, we cannot do the AI integration. Okay. So I'm changing this one to VBCS. Already it was changed to profile value no. Okay. Now what is another value? ANC.
Reasons.
So ANC.
Reasons.
Reasons. Very good. So ANC, that's the difference. I'm telling you, Pranati, that is the difference. So when Naveen is saying thing means he's practicing daily. So people who are practicing, they know that the profile codes. So this is a really litmus test. The profile codes are really the litmus test for the people who are practicing or who are working in real time and who are just having a paper knowledge. Because so every time you have to go do on and off. You need to know the exact profile option. Every time you need to do on and offs. So everybody, at least for each product, minimum 3 to 5. Minimum. If you learn more, that is really well and good. So every day, that is my request. Every day you take the VBCS profile options and try to remember at least minimum 5 profile options. And do the setups, do the revert, change it to classic page, change it to Redwood page. Every day do that Redwood project. Okay, here, Pranati, you are the project leader, right? So who else is project leader here? Okay. So Pranati, it is your responsibility that every day you have to assign a task to your team members to do a project on Redwood to change the profile options for global HR. Just to change, that's it. You don't have to do anything. Just know the profile option, change the profile value, and see the page is going to Redwood, and again change it back to classic or mobile responsive. So that is one of your daily tasks. Okay. Naveen, who is your project leader, Naveen?
Ayushman.
Ayushman, yeah. You talk to Ayushman also, you work every day, and I'll talk to Ayushman also every day. You take at least each product, you take minimum 5 profile options. Just you don't do anything. Just change the profile value, go back to Redwood page, verify whether it is coming properly or not. Again, change it back to classic or mobile responsive. So this is everyday's task. Okay, because in your real-time applications, 80 to 90% of the application looks Redwood only. Because in our practice environments, because in this particular environment, Redwood is not working properly because of REST API issues and all, we are not using Redwood. But so once you get selected in the job, you have to do mostly your work in the Redwood only. But so there is no difference at the end of the day while you're hiring an employee or do any kind of workflows. The core workflow is same only. You add all the personal information, all that employment information, all that compensation information, everything is same, but the look and feel would be different. Okay, coming to so absence reasons. Okay, absence reasons. VBCS profile option is have changed it to no. If it is yes, absence reasons will come will display in which page? Will display in Redwood page. Okay, every day you practice all the absence reasons. Okay, all these things. So you don't know, suppose you don't know what are that fields or profile options that will come. You do a wild character search, absences percentile VBCS. Okay, absences percentile VBCS. Okay, so when you select, when you give absences percentile VBCS, so it will give all the profile options that are related to Redwood. Build on VBCS. Okay, build on VBCS. Okay, absences, add absences. Suppose this is also one of the important page, add absence. When you want to submit an absence as an employee, this page, if you want to display in a Redwood, what you have to change? You have to change it yes. If you want to display in a classic, you have to change it to no. The same thing for each and everything. You have to understand. You have to understand and you have to change it to yes or no. Okay. So the Redwood is, I'm explaining every day. The Redwood is very simple. Only thing is you have to know the profile option for which page, what is the profile option and where we have to go and make it enabled, make it disabled. Okay. So coming to absence reasons, we have verified that absence reasons are right now in classic page or mobile responsive pages, because it is working in the mobile responsive page. So my client groups, absences. So I have created an absence reason, Hitachi. I have created an absence reason called Hitachi sick due to fever. Okay, this is the absence reason. Okay. And I have created an absence certification. Already we have discussed. Just I'm going through. I'm giving a walkthrough. Hitachi. Okay, absence certification. So Hitachi doctor's note. So I've created an absence certification called Hitachi doctor's note. Okay. I've created an absence plan. So what is the absence plan I have created is Hitachi accrual plan. Okay, we will go walk through this absence plan. So this absence plan, for which country I have created? I have created for US, United States. So based upon the legislative data group. Okay, what is the unit of measurement? Days. So when it will start? Calendar year. Okay, participation. So I have created an eligibility profile. So Hitachi eligibility profile. Okay. Accruals. So what is the method it will load? What is the method it will load?
Front.
Front loaded. So at a time it will load all the accruals. And length of service. So already we have discussed, right, in the absence plan. In the absence plan, how to give a length of based upon that derived factor called length of service. Suppose if a particular person length of service is greater than 10 years, I want to give 36 leaves. Suppose if length of service is less than 10 years, I want to give 24 days leave, paid leaves. So these are paid leaves. Okay. And entries and balances is it's not that much required. Just any kind of clerical errors you want to do, just. And from here, this is the payroll integration. We will see this one in the payroll. So we will see this one in the payroll integration. Okay. Now click on cancel. So I have created an absence plan, which is active status. Which is an active status. So everybody, until this one, everybody know how to do these things, right? Which we have already created in the previous sessions, right? Sarita, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Whatever we are discussing right now, we have discussed in the previous session. Just I'm going through, I'm giving a walkover. Okay. And then,
Yes, sir.
so we have created an eligibility profile. Okay, we have created a derived factor. We have created a derived factor called length of service. So what is the derived factor I have created? Hitachi length of service. So it is greater than 10 years or less than 10 years, and unit of measurement is years. Unit of measurement is important here. Unit of measurement is years. Okay, I have created a length of service. And I have created an eligibility profile. So eligibility profile. This is also one of the important things. So in order to see what are the different legal entities or business units, where I have to click? Where I have
View
to?
View hierarchy.
So here.
Hierarchy.
So you can, without going inside the eligibility profile also, you can click on hierarchy. Okay, employment, legal employer, business unit. US1 legal entity, US2 legal entity, business unit is US1 business unit, US2 business unit. And the derived factor. So one criteria is employment. Inside the employment, we have selected these two are the eligible legal employers, and these two are the eligible business units, and this is the person type employee, and the length of service is years. Hitachi. So derived factor we have selected is length of service. Okay. Now we have created the derived factor and eligibility profile, and we have attached that eligibility profile in the absence plan. We attached the eligibility profile in the absence plans. Okay. Now, so in order to create an absence type, we are creating a generic absence like sick or vacation. You can take anything. Okay. Whether you want to take sick or you can take a vacation, you want to create a, so I'm creating a generic absence type. Okay, I've created an absence type Hitachi generic absence type. Pattern is generic absence type. So what we need to create an absence type. What are the prerequisites? We need to create an absence type. How many we need?
3.
5 altogether. What are the 5?
Eligibility profile, derived factor, absence reasons, absence certificate, absence plan.
Very good. So in order to create an absence type, 5 prerequisites we need to create. First of all, we need to create the derived factor. We need to create the eligibility profile. We need to create the absence reasons, and we have to create an absence plan with the eligibility profile and the derived factor. And in order to create an absence type, we have to attach all these things. Okay, so this is a generic absence type. So unit of measurement, always remember, unit of measurement should be the same for absence plan and absence type. Absence plan and absence type. Okay, and legislative data group also should be the same. Status is active. Okay, here the duration rule. So if you take more than 5 days leave, what it should come?
Warning.
A warning message should come. Okay, if you take more than 5 days leave, a warning message should come. Okay, so all these things are predefined values only, and display balance in the approval notification. So display balances in the approval notification. Enable bidding. We will discuss what is enable bidding in the future classes. This is an advanced topic. Plans and reasons. So what are the absence plan we have created? Hitachi accrual plan. So I have attached this plan here. And what are the reasons? I have created sick due to fever, and I have attached the generic reasons, back pain and volunteering for something like vacation plan. Okay, display features. So display features. So absence reason. Absence reason is important and entry is required. Entry is required for employee self-service. Okay, employee self-service entry is required. Okay, this is important. And attachments. So attachment is enabled. Okay. So why attachments is enabled is if he is taking more than 5 days leave, we have kept attachments are mandatory. Okay, comments, display and edit. So these 3 you have to change this field like this. Okay, remaining all or you leave as it is. You don't have to change anything. Okay. So here you have to attach the certifications which are you have created, that Hitachi doctor note. So already we have discussed all these things on the Friday's class, right? We have created absence type and everything we have attached. But because of some particular environment issue, we got what you call we are unable to see the absence type in the employee. Okay, we are unable to see the absence type in the employee. Okay, I have created 2 employees. Okay, I have created 2 employees. One is more than 10 years and another one is less than 10 years. So I think everybody, you also created employees right here. Minnie Lovett and Valen Steven. Okay, we will come to that one also. Now I have created an employee, Eve Selvin. Go to here, task list, tasks, and absence records. See here. So we have enrolled in this particular plan called Hitachi accrual plan. We enrolled this particular plan called Hitachi accrual plan for this particular employee. Okay, and as she is working more than 10 years, How many leaves she got?
36.
36 leaves. Okay. And if you see here, she has applied a leave. She has applied a leave from today to next 3 years. Next 3 years, she has applied a leave. From where she has applied? She has applied from employee self-service.
Self-service.
Employee self-service. I'll show you. So Evelyn Hayes. Login as an employee. Employee self-service. So go to me. Time and absences. So click on add absence. So last time we got an error here. Last time we got an error here. Okay. So continues without journey. So when we select last time here, the absence type was not displaying, right?
Yes.
So that is sometimes because of environment slowness, it won't display. Here the environments got refreshed and these are really fast. Okay, what are the plan that we have enrolled? Okay, here there it is showing 36 leaves also. That should display here. Hitachi generic absence type. So here absence type balances. So why it is showing 35? It should show 36, right? Okay. So what it is, already we have submitted an absence, but it was not approved. Already it was submitted an absence. Click on continue without journey. Click on cancel. See here, already I have submitted an absence as part of employee. So go and check existing absences. So it is from 11/18, means today's to 20th. Okay. It is under approval. It is under approval. So 3 days leave we have submitted as an employee and it is under approval. Okay. Now, as a manager, we will for this submitting an absence, we will come back again and we will do for another employee also. Just I am showing again. So we will log in as manager for this employee. Okay. Go to my client groups, person management. Who is the manager? Where you can see here
Manager details.
manager details. Okay. Manager details. Or if you want to use latest pages, which one you have to use?
Person spotlight.
Person spotlight. Very good. So go to person spotlight. In the person spotlight, what we have to do? Person spotlight.
Employee info. There you'll get employee info, will get AORs, managers.
10016. Okay. Go to show more. Employment
Employee
info page. Okay. Go to show more and click on employment info page. In the public information page also we can see managers and directors. So here, who is the manager? Rotayo Abbott. So Abbott is his manager. Okay. So in the employment information page, we can see his manager's detail and we can see his salary detail. So we can see her salary details. Okay. And seniority dates. So when she was hired and all. And we have not run the seniority dates, that's why it is not showing. Okay. So now Abbott is his manager. Go to public info. Public info also we can see. So Lotaya Abbott. So Lotaya Abbott is her manager. If you want to see here, Lotaya Abbott, just click on that one. We can see that one. If you click here, this particular link, it will show the organization chart. One person is reporting to about. Okay, if we click here, some issue is coming here. If you click here again, it has to delete it. We know about is her manager. Okay, go to Platayo about. So when any one of your subordinates has applied a leave, this is very much important. When any of your subordinates has applied a leave, it will come to your notifications. Okay, it will come to your notifications. Okay, if you see here approval of Hitachi general absence type absence request for a particular employee Evelyn Hess from 18th to 20th of this month. Just click on open here. It will go to BPM work list. This is called as a BPM work list. So BPM, it will take a little bit time. So all the details will be there here. Who is the employee? What is the request? From when to when? So total number of duration. And what is the reason? Absence reason. Okay. Projected when absence end. So how many leaves this particular person is having? Okay. So it is coming, it is showing here, right? We have selected one checkbox. So in the approval, what we have asked, display the projected balance, right? There is one checkbox is there. Everybody
Yes.
remembers?
Yes.
So display the leave balance. Is it displaying that balances or not? So as of now, so total 36 leaves are there. Out of 36 leaves, she is applying for 3 days. So total how many projected balance would be there when this absence ends? Another 33 are there. Okay. So now I'm going to approve as a manager. Or if you want to reject, we can reject. Or if you want to request more information and all these things related to approvals, we can do that. But okay, that's where
So, like, out of 3 leaves, he only wants to approve 2 leaves. So, is it possible? Or
no,
it will be like
it's not possible. So
okay,
whatever either you reject or approve, that's it.
all together.
Or you
Okay.
can ask him to change that as add comments and say that change this only apply only for 2 days.
Okay.
We just reject that one and or add the comments, giving that to apply only for 2 days and reject it. So it will go back to him or go back to her, and they will see the comments and they will change it. But in general, see, when you are applying leave means definitely they will discuss offline and then only they will approve. They will get back. They will raise a request in the application. This is what in general happens, right? Even in normal corporate also, when you are taking a leave, generally we'll talk to your manager offline, means over the phone or normal verbal, and we say that okay, these are days I'm going to take off because of particular reason, or already all of a sudden you become a sick. At that time you cannot do anything, so you will call your manager and you say that. So once you come back to office, you will apply that leave. So on that day, that is also fine. Or normal vacation means what? You will get approval verbally first of all, and then only you will apply a leave. All of a sudden, you will not apply like this. So that is a normal procedure in corporate. You will talk to your manager verbally. Okay, these are the days I'm going to have a vacation, or I'm taking plan for certain reasons, something like that, or casual leave, and you'll apply a leave. So if you say okay, if you say only okay, take 2 days leave, please, because of we are having already so many people are on the leave. At that time itself, you'll filter out all these things. So instead of getting rejected, you will take a lot of feedback from your manager based upon his manager verbal approval only. We will go and approve here. We will apply that leave. So now as a manager, I'm approving.
Sir, what is that route task and delegate means?
So this particular one, I'll tell. So delegate means, so if you don't want to approve and you want to delegate on your absence, okay, you want to delegate to somebody else. to approve it or reject it. You can do that. Delegate means on your behalf somebody will do it. Suppose you are a line manager, but someone the particular person is working for somebody else on a day-to-day basis, just reporting to you. Okay, just reporting to you, but she is not directly working with you. For the reporting purpose, you are the line manager, but on a day-to-day basis, everyday operations, so she is working with somebody else, but in the hierarchy, it is with you only. At that time, it will come to you, and again you are delegating to the particular person to approve it or reject it, because not everything will not be managed as a matrix management here. So sometimes people will work in a multiple structure. At that time, multiple people's approvals are also required. So you can use a delegate approval, delegate option. Okay. Okay. Now if you click on show all, so automatically see approval, it is showing under approved or it is showing under assigned. It is showing under approved only. Action required. It was approved. Okay. It was approved. Okay. Now we will go back to the employee. Okay. And go to me, time and absences. Go to me, time and absences, and just see that existing absence. So when a particular person is in progress, absence is in progress, what it is showing here? He is on leave. From when to when? Earlier what it was shown?
Waiting for approval.
Approval. Awaiting approval. Now the leave was approved. The leave was approved. What it is showing now? In progress. The leave is in progress. Okay. So what we will do is, so Deepika, you have.
So can we have some condition like this? If employee applies leave 15 days before the actual leave, so it should get auto approved. Like managers, like in our company, it used to be like that only. If we apply 15 days before, then managers will not
We have
approve
to
it.
do, we have to write all that fast formulas.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay.
You have to write a lot of fast formulas because the absences and payroll, whatever you want, you can write all your fast formulas based upon that conditions itself. It will do auto approve. So if you don't want to do fast formulas, you can go to BPM work list and write your own rules, BPM approval rules. But that is not that easy. It's not like what you said. Okay, based upon this condition, you want approve auto. We can do that, but it will take a lot of expertise in doing it. So auto approve, we can do it based upon the condition, number of days, we can do that, but it's not that easy. Okay. So we will see the particularly approvals part in approvals related classes. Not only this one, anything can be done auto approved based upon certain conditions. So even for a while hiring an employee also, we can do auto approve. Not only absences, anything can go for auto approve, but a lot of conditions we have to write, and we need to have a lot of experience in writing that approvals. Okay, so now we will go to person management and search for these employees greater than 10 years. 10021. 10021. Stephen Wallen. Now we will enroll this particular employee for absences or absence plans. First of all, we need to enroll this particular employee for the absence plan. What is the absence plan we need to enroll?
Hitachi accrual plan.
Hitachi accrual plan. So it is displaying him, right? Means this particular employee is eligible based upon the eligibility profile. Okay, we have enrolled through this plan. Now we have to run this particular plan. We have to run this particular plan. Select the plan. Click on run accruals for selected plan. So as this is a front loaded, just select first month and last date of the first month. Okay, as it is a front loaded, It's enough that to select the first month and last date of the first month. Now click on submit button. Okay, so this is an error. The accrual process could not complete because the person doesn't have active payroll on the processing date. So while you are hiring a particular employee, so you need to have a proper payroll. Okay. So always remember absence and payroll are tightly coupled. While you are hiring an employee, please give payroll also at that time itself. I'm giving payroll details. I'm attaching payroll relationship. Select the plan and run the accruals for selected plan. Select the first month of that plan and last working day because it's a front loaded. So it's coming 36 days, right? Now the payroll error is not coming, right? In order
Yes.
to run absence plan, you have to remember all the payroll details are properly given. Okay. Payroll work location of the employee, and then payroll definition, all the details should be given properly. Okay. Now, so have you created have you created password for this user?
User account, no. What it will has to create automatically. To reset password.
Now I'm going to do the password reset. So now do the reset password.
So if partial rule is allowed, then employee can avail for half day leave, right?
Yeah, employee can take half day leave, partial leave is allowed in absence.
In that also, can we have any differentiation like first half, second half? Like,
Oh, half day means any half day you can take, right?
okay, yeah, because
So,
in workday we have like first half, second half. So first half it will have certain time, morning, this to this time, and second half it will be afternoon time. So
we
like
don't have
that,
that
and
kind
we
of
don't have that concept here, right? Okay.
no. Okay, I've created a reset of the password. Okay, and what is left here? I have to assign for this particular person a manager, right? Okay. So I want to assign a particular person to a manager. Go to search for the particular employee. Don't update that record. So we are doing a correction here because we are not given manager while hiring. Just click on correct. Click on OK. Now go to manager details. Click on plus symbol. Okay, search for the manager. I'm assigning a particular person, same person. So you have hired with both the employees in the same department, Deepika.
Actually, I've used position and whatever it got inherited.
Both are same using same positions.
No, different positions. This is accounting, the other one is different one. Yeah, two different positions.
Okay. Who has not used any kind of positions and created employees?
So I have created one, but I did not put any information, just the employee name, date of birth, joining date, all these things only I filled.
Okay. Okay, we will search. We will do the same thing for the same employee another time so that you will see. Okay, now the same employee is adding absences. Continue without journey. So this is a generic absence type, Hitachi generic absence type. So December 1st to December 8th. Okay, December 1st to December 8th. They are taking 6 days leave. 6 days leave. So why it is coming 6 days? Why it is coming only 6 days? We are taking Saturday, Sunday also, right?
Calendar day.
Unit of measurement is only days, not the calendar days. Okay. If it is calendar days, it will come 8. Okay. Now projected balance. Click on projected balance. So it will show already. Now it is 3 we have applied already. and 6 we are applying right now. The projected balance is 27. So out of 36, already 3 you have applied, and another 6 you are applying right now. The projected balance would be 27. So 27 plus 9, so 36. Okay. Now I'm giving a reason, something like volunteering. Okay. So what it is becoming, when you are giving more than 5 days leave, when you're taking more than 5 days leave, so attachment is mandatory, right? It's becoming attachment is mandatory. Now click on, okay, I don't want to do any kind of attachments. Now if you click on submit button, you need to attach because the absence is more than 5 days. Okay, I'll attach something. Okay, now if I click on submit button, so is it displaying warning message or not? So where we have defined this one?
Absence type, the
Yes,
maximum
right.
duration alert.
Yes, while creating an absence type, we have defined this. If you are taking more than 5 days leave, it should throw a warning message. And if it's okay, it's not an error message, it's a warning message. Okay. He or she can take the leave, but it should display a warning message. Okay. Now, click on yes. I'm taking more than leaves and I have applied for that. Click on yes. Click on OK. Continue without changes. Go to existing absences. Go to existing absences. New time and absences. Existing absences. So one absence is in progress and another absence is what? Under which state? Awaiting for approval. Who has to approve this one?
Manager.
Our manager has to approve it. Okay. Now login as our manager about and see here the bell notification. It will take some time. See under bell notification. So we got approval request, right? Approval request for absence type, right? So how many days? From December 1st to December 8th. Is it showing here? From December 1st to December 8th. Now click on here. Either you can approve here also. If you want to go through each and every detail, you can go through this in the BPM work list. So from this to this, total duration is 6 days. Okay. And absence reason is volunteering. And duration 6 days. And projected balance, when this absence completes, what is the projected balance? The projected balance is 27 days. Okay, projected calculated on which date? Today's date. So we can approve here or we can go and approve in this one also. I have verified all these details. I have closed this one. I want to approve in the notification icon itself. Just click on approve. Okay, I have clicked on approve and this notification is done. So now click on show all. Okay, go to all. So two absence we have approved for Elvin Hayes. So one is for 3 days, that is which is running, and another one is for 6 days, which is a future dated absence plan. Okay, future dated absence plan submitted by absence request submitted by employee called Evelyn Hayes. Okay. Now just go to employee and refresh here. So now go to home page, log in as an employee, come to time and absences, and now just check it existing absences. So what it is showing here? What it is showing?
Scheduled.
Future dated records.
Scheduled.
So already whichever the absence is in progress means today she is on leave. So that for that one it is showing as in progress, but future one it is showing as scheduled. So everybody understood this concept, how to apply absence.
Yes.
And how that absence will be approved by a manager, and how that will be displayed again in the employee self-service portal.
Yes. So can employee withdraw leaves if it is approved? Like if they do, if he wishes to cancel the leave.
Yeah, we can so everything based upon the absence plan setups. You can withdraw. But suppose if already is in progress, we cannot withdraw. Based upon the setups, we can configure while doing the absence type. We can configure if it is in progress. If absence is in progress, he can lock that record. So that's why here it is not showing here. But if it is right now is not absence is not in
Yeah,
progress,
it is scheduled. I want to cancel this.
we can cancel this one. But already which is in progress, we have locked the record. That is one of the option while creating absence type.
Okay, so that provision will be given to manager and HR, or like?
No, see, whatever the provisioning will be there while creating the absence plan and absence types.
Okay, the setting we have to configure it, you're telling.
Based upon the request by
Okay,
HR or absence administrator or whoever the client, you will configure all the plans and the types. Will configure all the absence plans and types. Once the configuration is done, they can only utilize that one. And again, if anything changes they want, they have to come up with a change request, and we have to update that one absence plan or absence types. Okay. Okay, team. Yeah, I hope everybody understand the concept. So please practice with this. Almost 85% of absences completed. Next 2 to 3 classes are hardly this week.